Hi there and welcome to my Messy Blessed Life. My name is Denise, for those of you who do not know who I am. And if this is your first time here on my channel, please consider subscribing. I have so many ideas that I have for this channel that I want to bring them to life. I know I have a little bit of videos as of right now, and I am just starting off my channel, but I have so many ideas that I want to share with you guys. So please consider subscribing and joining the family here on my channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. Last week I ended up doing a little poll over on my Instagram on what type of videos you guys preferred watching, long ones or short ones, and majority of you said that you preferred watching long videos. I thought this was the perfect time to do a somewhat of a long video, and that is prepping my house for fall. I'm so excited for fall. The first portion of this video will be me cleaning, getting the house ready for new decorations throughout the house. And the second portion of the video will be decorating my home actually for fall. I might end up doing that second portion tomorrow depending on my time. So I am so excited for this video. I hope you guys stick around. Maybe we have the same similarities when it comes to decorating our home. I like a home for fall very traditional. If it's not your style, maybe you know somebody who has the same style as me and maybe you could share this video with them. Or maybe you like the style that I have, maybe just in a different color, all white pumpkins or black pumpkins, who knows. So stick around and let's get started. So this is day 2 of this video. This is my favorite part, the part where I will be decorating our home for fall 2019. I have a late start on this video. I was even contemplating on doing it tomorrow because I just got home and I had a really busy day today. I had jury duty today, so I had to go take care of that. Thankfully, I was out of the door before 8 in the morning, so it took me longer to drive, it took me longer to park, and then to be there. I was literally in there for a minute and they dismissed me, so stay at home mom perk. Oh, with that, I have to say, starting your day off asking for God's grace and favor in your life really makes a difference in little details like that. Quick little testimony, I was probably the last person in line to be attended, and the guy just called me out pretty much. He was like, all right, you're free to go. Stay at home, mom, you can go home. Perfect. I just wanted to share that quick little testimony on how good God is. Even on the littlest things, God has your back. I have no idea where I will be placing my decorations this year. I am going to play with things and move things around. So you guys are going to see me just hop around pretty much.
below. Click on the comments down below. Bye bye for now.